So we've all been here. You need a security light in that one dark corner of your property, but there's zero power nearby. You're either stuck running 50 feet of ugly extension cords or settling for a battery camera that can barely see past its own nose. It's frustrating, I know. And honestly, most solar lights are just glorified flashlights. Here are 4 scenarios and problems the Reolink Solar Floodlight can fix. If you own a boat or a jet ski, you know that water and electricity are a nightmare and a massive expense. But trying to get a permit to run high voltage power lines down the dock for a security light, that will cost you thousands before you even buy the camera. So this is where the Reolink Solar Floodlight is a total cheat code. For starters, it's IP66 waterproof, so it handles the lake spray over the salt air without breaking a sweat. Plus, since outboard models are huge targets for theft, having that 2K color night vision means if someone stepped on your dock, let's say at 2 a.m., you aren't looking at a blurry gray ghost. You're seeing exactly what color hoodie they're wearing and what tools they're carrying. Oh yeah, and yeah, I love food. Who doesn't love food? If you're in a weekend booth or a food truck, you've got thousands in inventory and equipment sitting in a tent overnight. But how do you secure a parking lot or a field with no power? You get 1,000 lumens to light up your booth after dark. And active deterrents, meaning if someone tries to sneak under your tarp at 3 a.m., well, the 110 decibel siren and strobe light go off automatically. It's professional security that is as mobile as your business. Easy doozy. Now, if you're on a job site, let's say you're building a deck for a shed. You've probably got thousands in lumber and tools sitting out in the open. Well, the algorithm in here is the winner, because you can set that 1,000 lumen floodlight to only trigger when there are people. So a stray cat won't set it off. But tool thief will be blinded and caught in 2K clarity. It's just like a 24/7 security guard that never goes to sleep. Now let's get to the barn. If you have livestock, you know the stress of calving season. Waking up early at 3 a.m. to trek out into the freezing cold just to check on a horse or a cow. Most barns have zero power outlets, but this is a total game changer for these situations. You bolt it to a rafter and aim the solar panel out at the window or through the roof, and you're good to go. You get high resolution right on your phone. Plus, the detection alerts you the second things start moving, so you only head out when it actually matters. Well, the point is, security shouldn't stop just because your extension cord does. Whether it's a remote boat dock or a barn or in the middle of a field. This Reolink setup puts 1,000 lumens and 2K video exactly where you need it, without wires, no permits, zero monthly fees, local storage, there you go. Check the link in the description for the latest deals. And let me know in the comments, where's the one possible spot on your property that needs this camera? Oh yeah, one more thing, don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Come on, do it now. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.